Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. And today we're going to check out the Narwal Freo X Ultra.
And Narwhal sent us this for the review.
All right, so this is a robot vacuum, and it's in this huge box. So let's open it up.
And this box weighs a lot, so when you get one, make sure you have two people to carry it.
Yeah, very heavy. All right.
What's this?
It's a cord.
One power cord.
User manual. Oh, wow, that's heavy.
All right, there's the vacuum.
There is
Can
the
we take
vacuum.
the cover off?
Yep, let's take the cover off.
Ooh, cute. Nice and white.
Nice, bright and white.
Big laser thing on top.
Oh, you have to show the bottom.
Something there. There's the bottom.
The bottom's really cool. It's got these two pads, and these pads move around.
That's pretty cool.
Isn't that cool?
I think it's pretty neat.
In a circle.
Then it still has the usual brush and everything else in the back. And looks like some sensors maybe.
Yep.
So we're going to find out. Looks like things all over the place on this.
So this is a vacuum and a mop, obviously.
Ooh, what's this?
Looks like whiskers.
Oh, it's whiskers for putting on the robot vacuum.
Right, here comes, oh wait, there's more whiskers over here.
Yeah, there's two of these.
I think you're going to have to lift this one, Mark.
Let me take a look. All right. Handle on either side, which is kind of nice. So
Nice.
I'm going to lift it up and take it out of the box. Take the box out. Okay.
Yep, that's it. There's just more styrofoam in there.
Okay, I'll lift it up and
Okay.
then take the styrofoam. Hold on.
Ready?
Okay, good.
Got it.
Wow,
Wow, it's huge.
it's big. And then what's in the back?
It's kind of like all contained, like in one unit. It's a little different than the other ones we've checked out
Something
before.
back there. All right, let's see. Okay, and does it open or something?
Looks like this comes, oh, there's some styrofoam in here. That's where the vacuum goes.
All right, so vacuum goes in here.
All right.
Cute. Oh, some sort of water tank or dust tank. We'll find out.
Filters.
All right,
There's two.
filter. And another filter. Okay, what else? Anything else in here?
Oh, it looks like I get to take this plastic thing off. Oh,
You like doing that.
yeah, very satisfying. Oh, and this, oh, this opens up.
And
Oh,
tells you about first use.
and it's got a whole
Base station,
touch buttons that tells you what all the buttons do. So inside it's got clean water and dirty water. They're labeled.
Clean
Very
water,
handy.
dirty water.
There's some stuff in here. I don't think that's water.
What do you think it is?
It's some stuff.
Let's check the stuff out.
It's got a nice little hook here. Oh, they give you some, looks like a cleaner to use. Oh, really
that's
wrapped up nice.
Yeah, nice and it's a, you got this cushy package. Look at that narwhal.
Lemon and basil, specially formulated floor cleaner.
You know, that's really handy. You know, we've done other reviews and you have to get your own cleaner, but they give you one with it.
I like the lemon and
nice.
basil scent. That's going to smell good.
All right.
I guess in the kitchen anyway. All right.
Anything else?
The container, it's empty.
And it's got a little float thing in here too. Look at this. See it? So like a float, so it knows if it's empty
so
or
it knows
full.
if it's
Or
empty.
well, it probably knows if it's full. And then the connection. So how'd you do it? Just down here.
Yep. All right. I don't think there's anything in the clean water bin, is there? Nope, it's
Let's
empty.
see what. Hold on. Let's open it up.
The clean bin is purple. Makes it easy to
I
understand.
think it's clean or the dirty. This is
No, purple is clean.
Purple's clean.
Dirty
And there's like
is
a
white.
floaty. There's like a floaty thing in here as well. So this must be so it knows if it's got water.
That's cool.
I guess. Right.
Smart.
So the floaty thing in the dirty tank tells us when it's full, and this one has one that tells us when it's
Empty.
empty. Nice.
Cool.
Nice.
All
Nice
right.
and solidly built.
Really solidly built. Let's get it set up and see how it works.
After installing the Narwhal app, you pair the robot and map the house. The map is simple but easy to understand, and you can customize it. There are several modes of cleaning, including mop, and vacuum. We typically leave it on mop and vacuum. You can select to clean the whole house or just a room. Selecting a room, the robot will first clean its mops, then venture out to find the room. The path is very efficient going to the room. Once it starts cleaning, it wastes no time. We like the rotating mops, which do a good job of scrubbing the floor. And the 2 wing brushes make sure to capture loose particles as it vacuums. We like that this puts out a lot of water when it mops. You can clearly see this in the video. Once complete, it heads back home where it cleans and dries the mops. If you use the dust box, you will need to empty it yourself by opening its lid, or if you use the disposable dust bag and it's full, by replacing it. The map shows you where it cleaned, including the paths, plus provides status, square footage cleaned, and the time it took. The Narwal Freo X Ultra is a nice robot vacuum that works efficiently and not only does a good job of vacuuming, but mops very well. Thank you for watching.